So hi everyone and welcome to the weekly market outlook. So hope guys that you are fine, that you are doing well. Hi everyone and welcome to the weekly market outlook. So hope guys that you are okay. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to use the chat over there. I can see that both chats for those who are watching me on YouTube and for those who are watching me on the trading view as well. And if you are the new member over there, first time there on the webinar, we are trading based on wave analysis. We are always going through all of the setups. If you have any questions, if you want to take a look on the specific pair or something that we don't have over there on our watch list, just feel free to type in chat and I will add the pair that you want to analyze and we will watch it for you. So here's the list. I will following there over there. First I will go to the Forex pairs. There are many of them. We'll go kind of quickly through all of them. And then of course gold, silver, sugar, oil, so commodities, indices. And then crypto will be the last one that we will take a look. Okay, and of course if there are anyone who is interested for the stocks as well, then we will have a look on stocks as well, so we'll see what the prices are doing. I will show you what we are anticipating in our academy, what we are watching closely. Hi Maiden, welcome. I saw you that you are active over there every week, so great. Hope you are learning, hope you are having some benefits from that kind, from those webinars. Okay, so since last time there was a lot of new guys and you've been asking me about how to join our team, how to join our academy, okay, and what you will have, what is the biggest benefit, or how we are working. So most of you guys are asking how we are working inside of the group, how this everything is, it's let's say structured. Okay, so let me quickly explain you for all those who are asking how this is structured. Okay, so once you join our team, you will have the daily webinars, the daily setups. Okay, this is what you'll get, this is what we are watching. Of course you'll get the educational videos. Okay, educational videos, it's what you'll have and what you of course have to watch and go through. Otherwise you will not understand, or you will not know what we are talking about, how we are trading and what we are waiting for exactly. Okay, so it will looks like a Chinese language if you will join on daily webinar or watch our daily setups. Okay, so of course first you need the knowledge, and of course you will gain the access to that knowledge, those educational videos. Once you will complete them, then you will get the access to the community. Okay, the community is the biggest plus and what you need. Okay, so we will fully support you, help you improve your trading, and you can ask whatever question you want. And what we are doing now, especially this week, we started it from the yesterday. Okay, so yesterday we started with, let's say, 10 days of the progress. Okay, inside of the group we will have a 10 days of challenge or progress, so all traders will be able to trade live. Okay, so we will be trading live. Every one of us will take the same trades, we will manage them together, we will track them, and you will see how we can improve knowledge from the people that are not profitable. Okay, because I really want to push everyone who is 9 to 5 and push him to become full profitable trader. Okay, it doesn't matter if this will take a month or 10 days or 20 days, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm trying to push everyone who is inside of the group and it's not full-time trader yet. Okay, we'll really love to see what he's doing, how he's doing, how he can improve his knowledge. It doesn't matter if he's working for 10 hours on job. Okay, so we will still find and manage time, so every one of the team will be able to take trades, will be able to track them, will be able to manage them, and of course we have to generate the profit from the week to week. Okay, so let's see, 10 days and we'll see how this will go inside the group. Many of traders are really inspired by that, and they already know that it will help them improve their knowledge. So I as well think that this is is what everyone needs. Okay, so we have to be trading together, otherwise I don't know how you can improve your knowledge. Okay, the easiest part of trading is just click the trade. Okay, that's the easiest, but the rest, what is really important, is how you are managing, where you're taking profits, and what are you doing basically with the open trades. Okay, so to not let them open for too long. As I can see, many of my traders are having trades open for too long. Okay, and sometimes they have a biggest problem with that they let the trade run in the wrong direction for too long, or the biggest mistake what they did was the trade was in profit and then they end up with the stop loss or a loss. Okay, so that's the biggest mistake, and I know that some of you guys are having the same kind of the problems. Okay, you should not let the market to turn against you, especially not to go from the profit in the loss. Okay, that's the worst thing what you're doing. If you are struggling with this kind of the problem, then you should keep an eye on it and see what you can improve. Okay, so if you want to join us, if you want to be the part of our team, just go to the website and fill the membership. Okay, choose the membership, fill out the form, send me the private message if you have any questions, and I will send you more details about this. Okay, so let's go now. Let's start with the DXY. Oh, firstly, quickly, let's go through the setups that I have posted over there. Okay, so many of them are just gone. I didn't have a lot of time to post them, but there wasn't setups. Basically, your GBP. Okay, that one didn't give us any setup. We took a sell there, we took a break even there, we sold again, we took a break even again, it didn't move anywhere, and now this is struggling there. We'll show you later on in next 5 minutes how this is trying to develop. Okay, so this one will probably stop there and go for one more wave higher. Okay, so we just have to be really careful over there what this price is trying to do, what especially your GBP is going to do. Okay, so lower time frame will be really important to watch, to see where this year GBP will go. Okay, so still can go and revisit the previous lows, because this could still be the running flat. We'll show you exactly what to do in the upcoming week for the year GBP. Canadian didn't give us any proper sell setup over there. Okay, didn't give us the setup and we start to buy it, so nothing there. We just achieved the same. Okay, started to struggle, went a little bit higher, so nothing was there. There wasn't any sell setup, so those setups are just gone. Okay, Bitcoin will go in much more complicated structure than we thought. Okay, so this will probably struggle there, going lower, going back up, and then going back lower. Okay, so we'll probably stay a couple of weeks or they're struggling for the sideways movement. Okay, but of course we'll take this sell, we'll see if it breaks lower. Congratulations, we'll end up with the profits. Otherwise, if it will start to reverse, we will the same, recognize that on lower time frame, we'll take part of the profit. And of course, if there's the buy setup, we will again try to catch the buy, and of course definitely the sell. It's the last push before big rise on the Bitcoin. Okay, this is what we will be watching on and how we will track the trades. And I don't think that the Bitcoin, this is all of the structure and this is going higher. Really don't think that this is the contracting flat and we are going totally upside. Okay, so at least not for now. Okay, so this is not showing us any signs of current buy. Okay, so summertime it's needed. Okay, so Aussie Chief, what it did, it went up, give us the buy stop over there. You will be able to bought it over there, so that setup becomes invalid. Okay, same there, use the cat, buy and then take a profit over there. Once we break the top, you should take off your profit, and now there is the sell active currently, and the rest is just gone. This one just went higher, so nothing is active over there. Okay, so let's say outdated ideas. Okay, you should be watching weekly market outlooks. Okay, so usually I don't have time to update the setups. Okay, so you have to watch the weekly market outlooks. All the recordings you will find there on the stream. If you're late, of course watch the last one if you like to take the benefits, or if you would love to see the updates from me. Okay, and of course those who are watching me on YouTube as well on the channel, you will find their videos. Okay, previous weekly market outlooks, there you will find all the updates. Okay, we go through all the setups and we explain them, how to trade if you have any chance, how to trade, and so on. Okay, so this is it. Let me go now through the setups. If you guys have any questions during the webinar, like I said, use the chat on YouTube and the reading crew as well. Okay, so I can see both of the chats and I will answer to all your questions. So let's go. DXY, what we are currently having on the DXY is I wish you all wonderful good week at the best. Okay, yeah, I know this is the best time for the webinar. First we were having it on Monday and the Monday webinars wasn't that much active, and many of you guys wanted it on Sunday evening. So yeah, no problem. We will now have it every Sunday at the evening. As I can see that you guys have more time, you are much more focused, and of course you can attend it live. Okay, that's the big benefit. So you can communicate there with us. Thank you very much for all your positive feedback. Let's go now. DXY, what we are seeing there on the DXY is this is the flat over there, flat formation, and DXY definitely will go higher. Where we are at the moment, let's have a look. Oops, sorry. Let's have a look there. This contracting flat, it's completed, and we are now pushing back at the previous top. Of course, as we know that this ain't gonna go in the straight line, okay, that's not possible, but definitely it could push, then go to the deeper correction, and then it will go for this breaking top as it did there. Okay, it was pushing slowly, then went for the correction, and then went final push. Same it will do over there, but of course we should take every buy. Okay, every buy opportunity is what we have to take. Currently on 4 hour, I think that this could just struggle over there. Okay, so this could just struggle over there, up and down, and then it will went higher. Of course, if you find there any flag for buy, definitely you have to take it. If it will stop by the trend line, if it will not break out aggressively, you'll have to take off your profit. You'll have to be enough skilled to take off your profit, go for another sell, breaking those lows, and then going higher. Why this is so? Because in the middle there it will be the flat. Okay, so complicated structure, and then we'll have a impulsive movement of the structure, then we'll have a flat over there, the contracting flat, and one more low, and this will push one more wave back higher. Okay, that will be the reason why one more low will appear to break the previous lows. Okay, nothing special, nothing complicated, you just need to watch it. Okay, so once you see that we are holding the trend line, you can prepare yourself for one more wave lower on the DXY. Nothing special, that ain't gonna drop down totally. It could just extend a little bit, but not total reversal. Okay, so I really don't see any aggressive sells over there. Okay, so dollar will not drop across the market. Okay, so it's not having any signs, at least not for now. Okay, it still needs to complete for this movement, so keep your eyes for the buy over there. Okay, there was a couple of buys on the USD CAD. So it was there, the buy went up, didn't continue its wave, break even or take profit area should be over there. And what we are having currently, let me delete everything off now. So let's see what we are having over there and what we can expect. Okay, this could still be the more upside over there. Yes. Okay, so that has to finish its momentum over there, will probably struggle there, and then definitely buy will appear. Okay, so let's do whatever it wants to do. Probably one more flat, one more low, and then it will start pushing hard. So we will not watch for this sell over there. Okay, sell, it's what I'm not interested over there. There is the buy which is much more interested. Okay, so to go higher, at least back at those highs. So keep your eyes over there for this wave to the upside. Okay, so this is what you can watch. Once it will start breaking, correcting, you can buy. Okay, back at the top. If not, then just let it do whatever it wants to do. USD Chief, what the price is trying to do, it will go back higher. Okay, it will go back at the top. This is just the one part of the structure. It will go for another wave higher, back at this top, going lower, and then going higher. Okay, so USD Chief will struggle for the sideways for the next couple of weeks, let's say like that. Okay, so I really don't see and anticipating that USD Chief will go more higher. Can it continue slower? I don't think so. Okay, but at least without correction it's not possible. Okay, so it could just do something like this, then going lower, and then it will still go higher. Okay, so something like this. So any kind of the correction should appear over there before we'll have a next leg higher, which I have already posted over there. Okay, so keep an eye, watch it closely how that could develop. Definitely you can take a buy over there and then taking profits, then you have to take a sells, and then of course the buy is what you should not miss over there. Mexican going down really nicely. So what we are doing currently, okay, so I think that this was the expanding flat over there, and every sell that you will find you can take for a sell. Okay, back at those lows is where we can see the price going. Okay, so keep an eye there. There was many sell setups during the previous week. More sell setup will appear, and yeah, you can take a sell, of course, why not? Just stick to the sells. Bitcoin is dumping now. What did you mean Bitcoin is dumping now? Did you mean Bitcoin for a buy, or what exactly was your comment? Also South African rand, what the South African rand is currently doing, I think that this will go as well much higher. Okay, that's gonna go at least for the deeper correction before next job, or it will totally reverse. Which one? Definitely take every buy and then you have to decide. Okay, take a buy and you'll see what the price is trying to do. Currently we are setting up for one more leg lower. Okay, this can appear and then it will start going higher. Okay, something like this, move like this can appear over there, and then the wave to the upside or the deeper correction will appear itself. Aussie USD, if you were buying, okay, that was a nice 41k is a danger. Okay, we will watch that Bitcoin, what you are saying. Okay, so I cannot talk without having the chart in front of me. So yeah, we will see 41k is danger. We will watch that. So bear with us. So AUSD had a nice expanded flat over there on Friday. Pushes higher. If you catch it, great. If not, then let it correct and you can take a buy maybe. Okay, so if that's gonna explode to the upside, definitely buying over there will be a good idea, but it will correct anytime soon, so keep an eye over there. I don't see this price aggressively pushing lower. Okay, so watch it. Any sell setup you can take it. Okay, every sell setup that you will find you can take it, but it's far away. Okay, it's far away. This will go probably first at the top over there, and then you will have a price action for sell, and then you can start selling it. Okay, so don't sell it without having any sell. This is not a sell stop. Okay, so you can't sell the tag of the trend lines. Okay, that's the stupidest idea. Okay, so don't do this. Wait for the clear solid setup before you will sell. Okay, so at least something like this, and then you can have a sell. So let's say sell flag, it's what you will search for. Buyers, yes, you can go for one more buy if you find the sell stops over there. Okay, so flag for buy is what you need to lower time frame, and you can chase that buy over there. Aussie Chief at the top, this will go lower. Okay, so we will see anytime soon the push to the downside. Okay, Aussie Chief will go lower. We took a buy. This is what we are currently having on the DXY. Okay, DXY should give us some flag for the upside, then you have to take it and you'll see how it goes. Aussie Chief did an extremely nice job, nice profit was there, so you should already be out, and you have to wait for the sell stop. Sell stop is not ready yet. Okay, this could struggle and go for one more high before it will push lower. Okay, but definitely watch for this kind of the sell stop. It's good opportunity. Okay, so you should take a sell. Sell has a nice potential, and you can make nice money over there with this sell. Oops, sorry again. Aussie New Zealand, yeah, interesting chart to watch. Let's see. That should go for the correction before you are buying. Okay, so let the correction appear over there and then you bought. If you bought those flags, take them off and break even. They are not moving so far, and be careful about this kind of the movement. Okay, so if this drops, correct, then you can sell. You see, same behavior over there, then we will start selling. So be careful what the price will do in the future. Aussie New Zealand needs some additional focus. Okay, so if this develops exactly like I have shown you there on the left side, then we will be selling it. Okay, keep in mind that setups keep changing. Aussie Cat, buy definitely. Okay, we are buying it. How far? Back at the previous top. Okay, so this could easily go back at the previous top. Next week, keep an eye over there. Okay, it can go up, down. Okay, give you one more flag, you can buy, of course. Okay, back at the previous top. No, that's not the top, this one. Okay, so let it correct and buy it again, back at the previous top. Good chart to watch as well. New Zealand chief going lower, that's going to be the deeper correction. Okay, so this can drop, correction, drop, and then we will be buying it. Okay, so deeper correction can appear, so every sell you can take and take profits. Okay, don't let them run, take profits, because this is not gonna go totally to the downside, at least not for now. Okay, so sell, take profit, sell, take profit, and by the middle of the week we will be buying it, and by the end of the week or next week, let's say in 10 days, we will start selling it again, and in 20 days we will be buying it. Okay, so much more sideways of the New Zealand chief, it's what we will have for the upcoming week. Let's say New Zealand USD will probably take the high, going lower, give us the bigger correction, and then one more wave to the upside is possible. Can it even go higher extent? Yes. Okay, it can go higher. That's gonna give us another correction, something like running flat, and then it will continue its wave to the upside. Can I have a buy or can I take a buy? Yes, of course. If you find there any buy stops, then you can of course go for that buy. How far or how fast it will go, you will see. Okay, just watch it. Don't ignore it. Just don't open it and forget on it. No, you're buying it at the top and you have to be cautious. Every profit, it's more than recommended. So once you get in, get out. Okay, don't hold them for too long. You are buying it at the top, and in case if this is the running flat, you'll take some profit over there. You can go for the sell if you find the sell stop over there, and then you will be buying it again back to tag the trend line again. That's gonna be the daily tag. Okay, daily tag of the trend line. Okay, so one huge correction over there, something like this is what we can have easily. Okay, easily. So yeah, trade it, why not? You have to make money. New Zealand cat, same there. Okay, probably go up and down, correction, and then going higher. Okay, definitely watch for buy stops. Can go for the deeper correction, yes. Okay, this could go just for something like this and then going up again. Can I go for the sell? Yes, you can go for the sell if this gives you any good sell setup. Okay, nice sell setup, it's what you need. And then of course you can take a sell back at the previous low. If the price will be stronger, you even can catch bigger correction over there, and then the picture will totally change. Okay, the picture will totally change, because that's gonna go for one big flat for more downside. Okay, then you have to be cautious if this move appears over there. Okay, so this big move will change the picture. Okay, then we will not be trading it anymore for a buy if this move over there appears. So okay, you have to understand how those patterns are developing across the market. Your USD, you should already be the seller. Okay, put all your trades on break even. Okay, so there was some sells on lower time frame. If you put them on break even, great. Okay, you should not leave them open. Put all of them on break even. Can this go lower? Let's see the higher time frame. Yeah, this can go lower easily. So let their correction to appear. Probably flat will appear over there, sideways, something like this is what it may appear over there, and then you can go for another wave lower. Okay, so similar behavior, it's what you're anticipating there in the upcoming week. That ain't gonna develop on Monday, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. It's when the setup will be prepared, so don't rush for the trade. Okay, so let the market give you the proper setup before you will jump for the trade. Okay, don't be too aggressive. It's not making sense to just jump for the trade. You will not miss anything. EuroCAD, there was a couple of sell stops. What the price is currently doing, same there. Okay, so this will go probably another leg higher and then going for new low. Okay, this low needs to be broken, and then we may watch for another leg higher. So that's going to be the big 4-hour structure. Let me show you. Okay, this is going to be the 1, 2, 3. So nice flag over there, and then this to be something like big flag over there before it continues its way to the downside. So keep an eye on this structural development over there during the next week or next few weeks, let's say like that. Okay, so we will be trading over there in this pattern. Okay, we will be trading in this pattern over there. Definitely there is the money and you should be trading. Okay, but your profits will not last longer. So once you are getting into the trade, you will be taking your profits quite early. Okay, so you will not expect this to drop down like this. Or if you took a buy, you are not expecting this to go like a straight line to the upside. That's not gonna happen. Euro Aussie. Well, I don't think that this is all of the setup, or let's say this is all of the correction that we are having. Okay, so I don't think this is all of the correction that we are having. This is just one part of the structure. This is gonna go for the bigger correction and then going higher and then going lower. Okay, so daily structure development is what we can anticipate there for the upcoming weeks. Definitely you can trade this one, you can trade this one, and you can trade this one. Definitely you should not miss this one. Okay, so that's how trades are developing, that's how price is moving. Okay, so what this is going to be, that's going to be the daily correction probably. Okay, I think that this is going to be a daily correction over there and then going higher before next leg lower. Okay, so not that big one, maybe like this first part of the structure is what we have anticipating over there. Okay, and then going lower. Can it go even now? Yes, it can, but then we definitely will wait, let it drop, let it correct there, and then we will sell. Okay, we will not be selling for long term, let's say like that. Okay, so once again I'm repeating, don't sell for long term. If you find any sell stop over there, you can take it back at the previous low. You take off profit definitely, because that's gonna go extend for one more high, giving you the flat, and then it will continue its way to the downside. Okay, so simple price behavior. You just need to track it properly. You just need to understand how those waves and patterns are appearing, how they are developing, and of course you can make money over there once this is happening. Okay, you just have to know which pattern it's in the making. Here in New Zealand, same there. Okay, so same there. That could be a nice correction over there, higher time frame correction. If this will go lower, then definitely let it just drop over there, let it correct over there, and then take a sell. How far or for how long? Back at the previous low, and then expect one more high before big wave to the downside. Okay, so keep an eye. Okay, especially be careful for this correction before selling. So if you want to sell, wait for that kind of the correction before you choose or before you go for that sell. This is what we will do. Of course, we will manage it and watch it correctly. Watch it closely, sorry. Your chief, nothing yet. Okay, this could be just the first part of the structure for more upside. Okay, it's not aggressive currently. What we should do, definitely you want to see the sell stop before you go for the sell. So something like this would be great. And then more downside. So running flat, type of the running flat, and then going back at the previous low. Okay, or correction. Okay, this is what you're anticipating currently. Don't sell it from the price where it is right now. If it corrects, then yes, you can take a sell back at the previous low. It could be a nice chart, Euro chief, to watch in the upcoming week. Euro GBP, so here it is. Here's the chart that we want to discuss about. Okay, so this could get complicated. Okay, this thing can get complicated over there. So if this drops, went up, correction there, take a buy. Okay, you have to go for this buy over there, because this is gonna go strongly to the top. But if does this have still the possibility to drop? Yes. If you watch this as the running flat, then this has all the possibilities to go all the way down, and you should not miss any of those trades. If this is the buy, then you should not miss the buy. If this is the sell, you should definitely not miss that sell, because it's gonna go really fast and nice money is there over there. Okay, so how you will trade it? Let's see how I can take a trade. Let it drop, let it correct, and then you will take a trade. Okay, so in the middle of the week, probably you will have a nice confirmation over there. Will not recommend you selling it from where it is right now, because this could easily turn the wave to the upside. So you will end up with some problems over there, or let's say you will be stuck over there. So don't chase it right now. Let it drop and let it correct, then you will go for this sell over there. Euro Polish zloty. So what this one's trying to do, let me see where the daily structure is. Yes, we are heading to the downside, so Polish zloty is going lower. This could be as well the running flat over there, and we can go down. So what we are waiting for the sell stop. Do we have sell stop right now? Not so. Okay, this may be, but you need to be really skilled if you want to go for this sell, because it could stop over there, give you the flag, one more high, and then going lower. Okay, so this could give you the bigger structure development over there. So be careful if you choose to go for this sell. If it's not moving, cut it off immediately. Okay, you want to see the strong move over there to appear. If you think that this is all what we will have. Euro Nokian going down. So where we are heading to, back at the previous lows. Okay, so this is our target, even lower. Okay, so that will drag lower. So what you can do, just keep selling, guys. You can keep selling. Okay, this is going lower. There's the running flat. It was nice running flat over there. There was as well nice correction. So a lot of trades will have been there. So if this corrects over there as well for the big correction, go for the sell. Okay, this is heading to the downside, so you still have a chance to catch it. Pound yen, the yen pairs are under the pressure, as I can see. So a lot of people are asking me about that yen pair. So what the yen pairs are doing, there was a couple of buys that we took on yen pairs in the previous week. Okay, so currently pound yen, what it's trying to do is it's gonna go probably drop, giving you running flat, one more high, then going for the deeper correction and one more high. It's the development that I'm currently anticipating. So this could be all of the correction, and we are going back to break the top. Okay, so all of this will be one big huge structure, and then it's gonna go back at the low. So yes, you can go for the buy. Once you have a flag over there, take a buy. If not, let it drop, giving you the running flat, take a buy, back at the previous top, take off your profit, prepare yourself for the sell, start selling. Okay, easy, not a complicated stuff. CAD yen, so as you can see there from the picture that I have showed, there was a couple of buy setups. If you took them, great, so wonderful. Then cut it. Okay, so cut your profits, don't hold them, especially if you are in the trade from there. Take your profits. That's gonna probably lose its momentum and it will start to drop, or at least for a deeper correction. It's what I'm anticipating over there before anything. Okay, so something like this, going up, going down. It could struggle over there and still go higher. Okay, so that could stay there for next couple of months, let's say like that. The CAD yen could struggle over there before we'll have a big movement. Okay, but in this range, in this channel, of course we will be able to trade. You just have to track it properly. Okay, wait for flags, don't rush for it, and if it is not going, cut them off immediately. Okay, so Oz yen, nice correction also over there, couple of buy stops as well. As you can see, there are some of them are still there. So those for the buy stops. On lower time frame, 15 minutes, this is the buy setup. You can go for it, but it's gonna be really short, so don't hold it for too long. Okay, so that could be a running flat and we are going higher, and don't hold it too long. Like I said, that could go down, or for a deeper correction you'll end up yourself, or you'll end up with some bad trades. So mostly all yen pairs are gone for you, and you won't be able to catch a buy over there. Okay, so let them correct now. It would be better that you will trade for this correction. Trade for the correction, wait for the correction, and make money over there until this is in the making. We could have a nice move to the downside before the next week to the upside. Let's see how that develops. Euro yen went up nicely. There is a huge correction, daily correction. Okay, so as you can see, correction going higher. Can I take buy? Yes, you can take a buy. Let these two appear over there. Probably it could correct, and then you can take a buy. Why not? Okay, I came late. Will you keep post this stream? Yes, the stream will be posted. Okay, it's recorded, so no worries. Stream will be uploaded there on TradingView. On my profile under the stream tab, you will find the recording, and you can watch it, of course, or you can watch it as well on YouTube. So no worries, you didn't miss anything. You can still rewatch it even during the week. I know that it will help you to watch it during the week, otherwise it's really hard to remember, okay, all those setups. Let's go New Zealand yen, same there. What the price is trying to do, we are close to tag the previous top, so don't buy it anymore. Okay, so I really do not recommend you buying it there at the top. This could still be the big correction, go for down and then going up. Okay, so one big flat can appear there before the next extension to the upside, so wait for it. It's not tradable currently. Anytime soon we will have a deeper correction, so you can go and start watching for sell stops. Okay, sell stops is what you want to go for. Okay, it's worth of taking the sell stop. Currently what we have, 1 hour, no sell stop. You see, there is no sell stop currently on the picture, on the chart, so you have to wait more. If buy will appear, maybe you can take it, but really get in, get out, take profit and wait for sell. Sell, it's really what you want to go for it. Mostly yen pairs are the same. Okay, so wait for all those pullbacks before you go for any buy. Okay, so don't chase the price over there, it's gone if you missed it. So wait, there is another opportunity forming for you, so you will not miss anything. There's always something to trade. Okay, always something to trade. So let it drop, let it correct, and then you can take a sell. You have to be a bit more patient. USDN give us on Friday a nice correction, went up, you should take off your profit. Okay, if you were buying it from there, okay, so those were all the buy stops. If you took them, I prefer you taking off your profit. This will go as well for the deeper correction. So all of the yen pairs is what I'm waiting for, this kind of deeper correction. Okay, so will not anticipate the yen pairs to go in the straight line. Okay, so as you know that nothing will go in straight lines, so you'll have to wait for those corrections, proper correction development before you start watching for the next buy opportunity there. Pound USD, let's see what we are having on lower time frame, 1 hour. Okay, so that's really complicated structure. So why I'm saying this, because especially for new traders, for traders that don't know how to trade, they usually got stocked over there, and that's the biggest problem. Okay, so let me show you. That will be just a quick, let's say, education for you what could develop over there. And if you will just sell on the break of the trend line, you will get yourself in troubles. Why? Because this is the correction, and if you want to sell under this low or on the break of the trend line, then you have a straight stop loss trade. Why this is so? Because look at that one now, it will go down. I'm anticipating break of this low, then I anticipate this to be one flag, going one more back at the top really fast, and then drop down. So what in most cases happen to, especially to new traders who are not skilled, who don't know what to do and how to trade. Okay, you have your trade over there or there, and you looks like you should buy it. Okay, so you will have a sell over there. That's not making sense. Look at that one. That's going to be your sell, and in the next few hours you could be stopped out really easily, and it will not help you to extend your stop loss like this. That's not making sense, because this move can even extend for this stop loss, and you'll be stopped out, and then the trade will go in your direction. So that will make you really mad. So that's happening to most of the traders. They are selling too late, or they are getting into the trade too early. Okay, those two problems are what most of the traders are facing. As we've been working now with many of traders, we've seen their problems, their struggles, or what are their biggest mistakes. And I can tell you, most of the traders, or most of you guys, are having the similar problems. Okay, similar kind of the problems, and you should fix that. Okay, so track it. If you don't know how, you are welcome to join our team. We will help you to teach you how to properly get into the trade, where to get in, how to get in, when to exit, and so on. Okay, so if you will have any question, you can send me the private message, and I will give you the more details about our group and how we work. Okay, at the beginning of the webinar you have the explanation of how we work and what we are doing currently in next 10 days inside of the group, of course, with my traders. Okay, so let's go. Okay, don't sell, right? You already learned. Okay, don't sell. That's gonna go probably for the sideways, one more high, and then it will go lower. So rather go for the buy than a sell. Pound chief going lower, that's gonna probably as well go for the sideways, going lower, and it will go for one more wave higher. Okay, so be careful, that could be just the bigger sell over there. Can I go for the sell? Yes, you can go, but you have to exit it really fast if it will not move strongly. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, so Hendrik is saying, don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you very much for your support, man. Thank you. So Pound Aussie is interesting chart, especially why. Okay, so another explanation, another educational stuff for you. Daily, look at that one where we are in daily. Okay, where we are in daily, what is our target? This is the minimum. Okay, so this is the minimum what we are targeting, and that's the maximum what we are targeting. So there's a lot of money to be made. So with one single trade you can even double your account. Okay, so there's 200 pips, 2000 pips to be made. So make sure you are at least catch half of them, at least 1000. Okay, 1000 is at least what you should catch. So how you should do that? Take and watch for every sell setup. Okay, so we are watching that as well in our academy, so we don't want to miss this kind of the trade. So what we are having over there, there's the correction which is about to be completed. There's the lower time frame correction which is as well be completed, and it's gonna go and direct the pair to the downside. So watch every sell setup, guys. Watch for every sell setup, and you should take it. Okay, you should be trading how far back at the previous low. Okay, so down there, this will be your first minimum target. The next one, the next profit stop, it's over there, not over there, even lower. So that one first, this one, another one, this one. So keep an eye on it. Okay, sell setup, definitely follow every single sell setup from 5 minutes to 1 hour. Take every sell setup if it appears, of course. Pound New Zealand, it's same structure over there. Look at that one, we have a same structure, selling. Another 4 hour confirmation was there, it's about to be completed. There was a nice sell setup on Friday and it went lower. Now we have to keep an eye what and how this is about to develop. Okay, so this to stay there a couple more hours, yes, possible, and then keep an eye there for more downside. Okay, watch it, good chart to watch. Pound CAD, nothing special, probably go lower, one more high, give us the running flat, and then more downside. It's what we are anticipating. Okay, so this to be something like this, one more low, and then maybe deeper correction before next wave lower. So sell setup is what you wait, but first wait for this buy to appear. Okay, so probably you should skip that buy. You won't be able to catch any buy setup over there for this buy. Okay, so you'll have to skip the buy and focus for the sell. Catch if, where we are, what we are doing, I have no idea, so let's take a look. So definitely don't buy it. What we have on 1 hour, yeah, this is going lower. Okay, so that's not the sell which I will go for. Let it correct over there, then I will take a sell, and then another sell can appear. Then this is the sell setup, or this is the setup where it will confirm more downside. This is where you should start selling. Okay, keep an eye. Chief Nokian, nothing there, leave this one alone. Gold, what the gold is trying to do, gold can go for one more wave higher. Look at that one, and then going lower and then going higher, or this is all of the structure and we are going totally higher. Okay, so this could be all of the correction and we are going totally higher, back at the previous top at least. So watch for buy setups in the next upcoming week. Let me just delete this line over there. Let this one do whatever it wants to do. Let it struggle over there, don't sell it, and go for the buy. Yes, okay, if it's stopped by the previous top, you will take off your profit. If not, then it will extend a little bit higher, and then it can go for one more low, break the low, and then it will continue its way to the upside. So track it properly, as I have given you the signs of the direction. You should do the same. Okay, so this, wait, you can go for buy, of course, if you find the buy. Sell, I'm not so interested. Sell could go for sideways, giving you the sell stop back at the previous low. This will be all what you get. Then it will go back at the top, giving you the flat and one more low, and then going higher. Okay, so this is how it could develop during the week. Which one it will be, we have no idea. We just have to watch it. Okay, this is why you have to watch charts every day, at least for 3 hours. That's what you need. Okay, 3 hours. It's the minimum what you should watch for the charts every day. Okay, so and if you are currently working, or if you have a job, you cannot say that you don't have time to watch the charts. Okay, you do. Okay, you do have at least 3 hours. It's what you should manage. Okay, this is the time you should manage if you want to improve your knowledge, or if you would love to be a trader. Silver, same behavior over there. This one went higher, one more going higher. This is the bigger correction over there now in the making, and it will go for one more low, break the low, and then final upside. Okay, so they always do this kind of the pullbacks deeper, and then they go. Okay, sugar, anyone trading sugar is going higher. Sugar will go higher. Okay, so this is the structure we will have back in the previous top at least, then sideways, and then more upside. Okay, oil is what many of you are asking me. This could be just the first part of the impulse, not impulse, sorry, the correction, and this to go slowly back at the previous top, tag the price again, top, go for the sideways, and then going more higher. Okay, this can even break the top, but we will update this on time, so don't be too fast. What you should watch, or next week updates are the buys. Okay, next week are the buy. Don't sell it. I don't see the seller over there currently. Buy, it's what you want to see. Same there. UK oil going for the sideways, and then one more push to the top. Natural gas, let's see, 4 hour. Yeah, this could stay there and definitely going higher. This could be all of the correction running flat. This could correct, going to break all those tops, and then maybe sideways, and then going higher. Okay, that's the structural development for natural gas for the upcoming weeks. Okay, so track it, and you will see if this goes so. You should watch it. Indices is already pushing higher. That could be a nice sign, right? So what they are doing right now probably needs to go for the correction, and more upside. It's what we are anticipating, so don't buy it right now. Let it pull back, go for the trade. Okay, all in this is same stuff. Let it correct, one more high. Can this be as well the sell? Yes. Okay, especially SP 500, it's showing for a nice sell over there. Look at that one. This could be the impulse, this could be the running flat over there. Okay, so this to be the running flat over there, and more downside is what can appear or what can happen. So if you want to buy, then definitely 1 hour deeper pullback is what you need. Then of course you can buy. If it starts to be aggressive, you will break that top, or at least this top again. Okay, if not, take some profit at least and start selling. You see, you have to be open for the both directions, not always, but in the cases when this is possible. Okay, because you can make money in the both of directions. So don't just, let's say, aggressively trade into one direction. Okay, be open and trade what the market gives you. Okay, trade which setup it's on the market and see if it is worth of taking it. Okay, so let's go. US 30, same there. Okay, that could be the same behavior, running flat and then one more low before going higher. Buy, yes, if you get the buy stop, then you can take it, but I think that we will have the running flats there for more downside. UK 100 going back at the top definitely. Okay, so that's not the part of the structure we see for the sell. Okay, it's going back at the previous top. FR, same there. Okay, so going higher at least back at those tops, and then we will see buy stop. Okay, all indices are going higher pretty much for buy. At least one more push higher, same there, back at the top and then drop. Okay, JP 225, this one going higher. This could be all of the structure. Correct, let it go higher back at this top. Okay, so all indices can extend their waves to the upside, so be careful, watch it. Okay, watch them, watch for those corrections, then take a buy. Aussie 200, let's say this could be the really nice. So if this corrects, go for the buy, right? This could be the correction, all of the correction. If this corrects, take a buy. Okay, how far back at the previous top? So buy it. I see buy there on indices, so wait for the setup and you can definitely go for the buy. Okay, buy it. China 50, same there. Okay, not buy the previous top, let it break, let it go lower, give you the running flat, then go for the buy. Okay, don't buy currently from this spot where it is right now. Let them pull back, let it drop a little bit, and then you should buy. Okay, so don't just jump into the price from the top. Okay, so okay, we finally came to crypto. Where are our crypto guys? So one guy was saying at the beginning that 401k is dangerous. Let's see. Yes, it is, because this may be the pattern in the middle and we start pushing lower. Yes, definitely you should watch the sell stop. Buy it's what you will ignore. Can this go higher? Yes, possible. Still open. Okay, this is still open. Then guess what we will have? Something like this, drop, break the top, and then drop. Okay, so we will get the running flat over there, things will get complicated, and then we'll drop. So it will struggle over there. Okay, but if it will stays there now next couple of hours, if it drops giving you the sell stop, yes, you can go for it. We are going back at this low minimum or that one. This is the low we are targeting. Okay, so if this turns out to be the flat, okay, so watch for those sells over there. Sell, sell, sell all the way back. This is your target, your first profit taking area is this. Another one is 30k somewhere, so on 29k. okay, this is what I'm anticipating on the crypto to develop. Okay, do I see buy? Okay, I'm getting a lot of questions that people are asking if this is the buy, I should buy, and they will start to do some investments. Not yet. Okay, so I really do not see Bitcoin going higher currently. Okay, so I really see first one more wave to the downside before next wave will appear. But the buy, will it appear? Of course. Okay, buy will appear after this move completes. Can it go from there? No, I really don't see this kind of the behavior. Or it could just do something like this, drop there, then we may consider one more wave to the upside. Okay, only the way like that. Question: can this be a potential triangle on BitKey? Symmetrical? No, that's not a symmetrical triangle. You probably think about this one. No, this could be the contracting flat, but this part now it's not showing you any triangle. Okay, that's not the triangle structure. It's getting more complicated than a classical symmetrical triangle. Okay, so you have to watch it differently. Okay, it could as well go lower, take this low and this to be the flat in the middle, go for one more high, something like this, big flat, then going lower. You see, this is where you need the knowledge, and there is where you need to sharpen your eyes. Once the patterns are getting complicated, you should develop the skills so you will be capable to trade inside of these corrections to grab money. Okay, you should be capable of trading in the correction. Okay, so be careful. This is as well possible, it's still open, that this could appear there, the correction in the middle. So based on that, based on those expectations, what I see on all altcoins, it's one more low as well. Definitely those who are watching for the long-term investing, if you're the spot trader, you can buy once this drops over there. Okay, once this drops over there, you can buy some money over there, put some investment. Of course, if you are the spot trader, you will not, you should live with this loss over there. Okay, so if you start buying over there, you should live through that loss. Okay, that will not be the huge loss. Definitely not on the leverage. Spot is what you can do, and then going higher. Okay, so if you're the spot trader, you should not care about if you bought there or if you bought there. What you should care about is that you will catch this big buy over there, and I don't think that you need to be so, let's say, precious over there. Okay, so you can buy really just lower. Okay, just don't need to catch exactly the low if you're the spot trader or if you are investing on the long term. But The point is that you should buy low, okay? That's all what you should care about. No, it's not yeah, ABC is in the middle, yes, maiden. The ABC is in the middle. That's true. Okay, but don't focus too much for the counting. That's gonna give you some troubles. Okay, this counting and this labeling will take your focus away from trading, away from patterns, and you will make your trading really complicated, and there will be a lot of headaches. So don't go that much in details. Labeling, it's not something what you should apply in your trading. Okay, so if you want to try to label, that should be only in your head, not on the chart. Okay, because 10 different, let's say 10 different wave traders will count those waves differently, but everyone will be trading in the same direction probably. Okay, but everyone will have a different counting. So that means you should not be focusing on counting and labeling. Okay, that's not making sense. Okay, you are just wasting your time, wasting your energy, and wasting your focus. Okay, you just have to read the structure properly or correctly, let's say like that. And of course, once the setup is there, you should take the opportunity to trade in the right direction. Okay, so you should understand now what it's trying to do. Okay, so don't make your trading complicated. I will put an arrow over there in case if this stop by there, it will go for one more high, and then it will go for a low. Okay, this is the option number 1 on the Bitcoin. Okay, option number 1. So there to be the flat in the middle, one more wave up, bigger correction, going lower, take the low, and then going higher. Another option, this going high, drop, giving you the running flat, one more high, break the top, and then going lower. Even more complicated structure. Okay, so all of them are pointing to downside. Or could this be just the contracting flat? Sorry, could be this just the one simple contracting flank, and this will drag lower? Yes, this could as well drag lower without this big pullback, and we will go to the upside. Okay, now this is just the question how this will develop. Of course, you have to take the sell. Okay, if you're a seller, you can take a sell and be cautious by the previous low. That's all what you can do. Okay, that's why I always put an arrow over there. Okay, if the trend will be strong anyway, you will be in the trade. Okay, so this is same like there. Okay, I really expect one more low as it did there. Okay, one more low, different structure, one more breaking the low, and then going higher. That's the same behavior I'm expecting over there to appear. Okay, so watch for sell stops definitely on the Bitcoin for the upcoming week. Okay, do you have any more questions for the crypto? Any special pair that you want me to analyze for you or to comment? Please go ahead, put the comment there in chat, on live chat. I can see both the chats, YouTube or TradingView as well. Just type it. Okay, so guys, if you just joined at the end of the webinar, feel free to watch the recording recording of this live under my stream tab on TradingView or on YouTube channel. Okay, so the recording will be live immediately once we complete this webinar, or once we finish the webinar over there. And of course, if you want to join our team, you're welcome. Okay, send me the message and I will give you more details about the team, how we are working, and so on. At the beginning of the webinar, you have the description of how we are working. So no questions, that's great. So everyone understands what they should trade for the upcoming week. This is great. So I'm really happy for that. Those who are there for the long-term investing on the crypto, you should wait a little bit, and then there will be a lot of opportunities to trade. Stock, UMI, Umicore. Okay, let me just see. Mostly stocks are going for the correction for one more low. Let's see what we are having over there. I which one is it? Oh, that one probably. You and my core. Yes, that's what you're asking. Yeah, let's see what this stock is trying to do. This will go for the correction. You have two possibilities. These to be the running flat and then going higher. Okay, one option. So you should buy every buy flag over there back at the previous top. Okay, so this is the one chance, one opportunity that you can have over there. Another one is going lower first, back at this low, giving you this as a flat, and then start buying it. Okay, that's the second chance. The third one is this going lower, higher, going lower, giving you the flat over there, giving you the bigger flat, and then going more lower. Okay, so then things will get more complicated. If this will start developing like this, then you know we are going downside. Okay, but currently it's far away from this complicated structure for more downside. Okay, so what you should do is wait for another low and then going higher. Okay, buy. Otherwise, what else could appear? Going higher, drop, running flat, and then going higher. Okay, so some pattern developments over there before next rush to the upside. Can I start buying? Yes, you can. You can start buying it. Take a buy and watch it by the previous stop what the price is trying to do. Okay, so this is it for the UMI. Dogecoin. Okay, so next question is about Dogecoin. Let's see if I have it over there. It's supposed to be somewhere there on my watch list. It's quite interesting coin for the others. Or here it is. What the Dogecoin is trying to do. Let me see the daily. Okay, this wave is done now. Oh, come on, sorry. We were anticipating this. We were anticipating this. Now it's gone. So definitely you can start watching for another buy once this is completed. This may go back at this top, giving you the flat, another tag of the previous low, and then going higher. Can I start buying? Yes, you can start buying once you'll have a completion over there on 1 hour. Okay, so that may go lower. Okay, so this to be some kind of running flat, one more high, going lower, and then you can start buying it. Okay, definitely it's a good spot, but let it tag those lows first. Okay, so I will wait for the tag of the previous lows, then I will start investing for the long term. Okay, so it's not ready yet for me for the long term investing. Okay, so but it will be. Okay, it will be. This could as well go higher and then start dropping. Okay, so let's say like this, and then going lower. This is the spot to watch for buy. Okay, this was Dogecoin. Bitcoin will tell you everything what you should do. Okay, with the charts, or let's say with the rest of the crypto market. It's much more the same. Any questions? Okay, so if this is so, then we will complete the webinar. XRP. Okay, we have a question still. Let's all see on XRP. Up there, what we have over there on XRP is, let me take this off. Take this off. The same there, one more low it's possible. Tagging the high, tagging the low, and then going higher. Okay, this is what we may see, or going totally back at the low, breaking those lows. Even that one low, it's really possible to be broken before next wave up. Okay, but definitely sell is the next opportunity. Okay, so going lower over there, flat, going high, tag the high, going lower, break this low, going higher, break this top, going lower, break this low, and then going final to the upside. Okay, so this kind of complication is what you can have on XRP. XRP can be quite complicated chart to trade, so I'd rather pick another one. that could be a headache. That's a headache chart. Bitcoin is it's more clear, let's say like that. More clear. OGN. Okay, I haven't had that chart. OGN. OGN. Okay, don't have it, I have to add it. Let me just add it. OGN. OGN, let me give you this one. OGN. OGN. This one's trying to do. Okay, it's bouncing. This is a good sign. Let it correct over there. This one will correct over there. Okay, so if you're already in the trade, great, and that's gonna go for the correction over there before next wave to the upside. They always does. Okay, so they always go for the correction. Okay, oops, sorry. If they go for the sell and for the buy as well. Okay, so they go for the correction, then they go. Okay, it's a good chart for buy. Based on the pattern, this is completed for me. Okay, so this is completed structure for me. Low is broken. Now we are heading to the upside, back to the previous stop. Yeah, it's a good one to watch for all the buy stops, all the flag you can buy. Okay, so here's the example what I'm anticipating from all the crypto. All the crypto is what I am let's say interested. Okay, now we are somewhere there on the rest of the crypto. I'm anticipating this kind of the movement break, so you can start buying it like I said. Okay, so if you put some patience over there, you will know that we were waiting for the tag of the previous low and start buying. Okay, especially the Bitcoin, same stuff. Let the tag the previous low and start buying it, and then it will start pushing higher. But if you watch the OGN, wait for the correction and take a buy, of course. Okay, so we have a one spammer over there in the group, so we should report those. We should report those people that are broke and they know what to do. They're just the marketing stuff, guys. Okay, just one more important thing. If you guys want to join our academy, and if you are the member or part of any marketing company that works with crypto or Forex, please don't join my academy. I will kick you out immediately once I will see that you are the part of any marketing company that are just selling some stupid bots or doing any kind of these things. Okay, I'm not caring about the bots. I don't care about any marketing stuffs over there. Okay, so you will be immediately removed out from the academy. You will not be the first person, and if you are that kind of the person, you already work with the marketing, please don't join. Okay, just keep and don't ever come on my webinars. That's all. Okay, I really don't want to have the marketing guys in my academy. Okay, I only want serious people that are willing to learn and are not here to resell any stuff. Okay, no resellers in the academy, only serious people that want to become profitable trader and want to start trading for a lifetime. Okay, let's say for a living. Okay, so it's really important. Make sure that you are not any part of this kind, that you're not the part of this stupid business before joining my academy. Bitcoin, we already did the Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is what we did. Please, Ethereum USD needs identification. Yes, we will talk about the Ethereum USDT, what we have over there. That one went slower, didn't do anything. So daily, let me just take off this. Stay away from the Ethereum. This could be the contracting flag, one more low, even breaking that low and then going higher. Okay, so this to be similar like Bitcoin, so stay away from it. This could be really the contracting flat, dragging lower, tag those low, and then going higher. So don't chase the price, okay? Don't chase it. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Can you teach us about Elliott Wave? Yes, I can do. You just have to pay the price and join my team, okay? You will find the information on my website, readwithmaster.eu, or send me the message and I will give you all the details. And we will, of course, help you and teach you how to become really serious and profitable trader. So, anything else, guys? We've been there since really long now. You are welcome. Okay, so I will end the webinar right here. So let's wait a couple of minutes if there will be any questions, and then we will end the webinar. Okay, so no questions. This is good. Okay, so next Sunday we will be here again. If you like the webinar, please hit that like button, share with others. You may help someone who is struggling and want to learn at least basic things. Okay, so take care, enjoy your Sunday, and may the setups be with you during the next week. Take care, see you, bye bye.